So we're here. This is today's vlog, by the way. Hello. I'm Cameron and this is Geordie. It doesn't work on the Bluetooth. But then we're going to try and find a waterfall, bro. But we're a bit lost. So join us in our adventures of the day. Okay. Bye. Let's check my nails. How you doing? Very good as hell. Baby, how you doing? So it's going well for us. We found the right path now. Geordie, say hello. Say hello. We're walking down the right path. Look, in the jungle. Water. The water. Which means we're on the right track. Yay! Yeah. So we're here at the waterfalls.
Oh, that's Danny.
With the is that Danny? Oh, look at that. With the champagne and our plastic cups, because that's all that look this. And there's other people, which is always awkward.
Oh, I look funny there. I look better now. Oh, it's not bad.
God.
It looks just a cocky deer. Yeah, mine I've got a glass and smoke.
So here goes nothing, guys. Sides are so white at the top.
Nice.
We made it to the water. Look, we're in the water.
Someone just fell and dropped their phone.
But he saved the dope, so it's okay. It's a bad. Judy, what happened?
There was a fish or a crocodile.
Probably a crocodile, hey? Was it a crocodile, Mom? What did it feel like?
It was a shark.
It was a baby croc.
It was an octopus.
It was a baby.
A jellyfish.
It was an octocrocopus. That's what it was.
Yes!
I beat the octocrocopus.
Steve, wait! Your shorts so hard.
To put swimming pants on.
You got to second. I'm not going further than this. I'm staying right so by the optical.
No, you've got to get in the shade, otherwise your face doesn't look awesome. The sun is not a nice light. And there's cheese.
Okay, so we made it to the waterfalls. We're living our lives in the waterfall. But now look, my people are getting dressed for some reason. Imagine they're drying themselves off and acting like I have to go home. I really don't want to go home. So this is what guys. We're here at the bottom by the waterfalls. We're doing the things. Bar relaxed. There are other people as well. I'll show you them. Look, there they sit. I don't know who they are, but I'm here. So, yeah. Welcome to the waterfalls. So for today's educational activity, we're playing MacGyver. Dean, how are you feeling about playing MacGyver? Mom, how are you feeling? Ja, we're vlogging, Mom.
Vlog.
Kijk die doorings, julle. Baie groot doorings. Baie gevaarlik. In my mountain video, you remember I vlogged because I was out of breath? Same right now, I'm very out of breath.